Good morning. Okay, so today we're going to have a look at a different method of multiplication. Yesterday and the day before we looked at using place value counters to solve multiplication calculations. Here we're going to use a number line. So I've got 42 times 5. So I'm going to partition the 42 into 10, 10, 10, another 10 and 2. Okay, I'm going to draw my number line. You could draw yours with a ruler, would be better, but I don't want to get pen on my ruler. So we always start at 0. I'm going to multiply each of these by 5. So I'm going to do 10 times 5. I'm going to cross that off to remind me. So 10 times 5 first. 10 times 5 is 50. So 0 plus 50 would equal 50. I'm going to do the other one. The next one, another 10 times 5. I know that 10 times 5 equals 50, so 50 add 50 would equal 100. I'm going to do the next one. 10 times 5 again. So 10 times 5 is 50, 100 plus the 50 is 150. And I'm going to do the next one, which is another 10, so 10 times 5. And I know 10 times 5 equals 50, so 150, add the 50 would get me to 200. Now I've got 2 times 5, so I'm going to do a jump of 2 times 5. And I know 2 times 5 equals 10. So 200, add that jump of 10 would give me 210. So the answer is 210. What we're doing here is we're breaking down the 40 into those jumps of 10, because multiplying something by 10 is much easier than multiplying something by 40. So let's have another look at that then, with some slightly different numbers. So I'm going to do 36 times 6 there. Now I know that 30 is 10, 10 and 10, and then we've got the 6 as well. I'm going to draw my number line and I start at 0. So I'm going to do 10 times 6 here. That's 10 times 6. I know 10 times 6 is 60. 0 plus 60 equals 60. So I've landed on 60. I'm now going to do another 10 times 6 here, which I know again gives me 60. 60 plus 60 is a bit tricky, but 6 plus 6 equals 12. So 60 plus 60 equals 120. Okay, you can see that there. So I've landed on 120. The next one, 10 times 6 again. So I'll do another jump of 10 times 6, which is 60. 120 plus 60, well, 12 plus 6 equals 18. So 120 plus 60 would give me 180. So I've landed on 180. Now 6 times 6, this is where your times tables are crucial, because you need to know those times tables. I know 6 times 6 is 36, so I'm going to do 6 times 6 there, and 36, so 180 plus 36. I'm actually going to use the column method to help me work that out. 0 plus 6 is 6, 8 plus 3 is 11, so I need to exchange 1 there. 1 plus 1 is 2. So I would land on 216. So 36 times 6 is 216. Okay. Now there are quite a few steps there. You need to be able to use your column method. You need to know this pattern here to be able to add the multiples of 10 competently. You need to be able to partition the number into its tens and then ones. You need to be able to follow the number line. So it's going to take a lot of practice. So for your questions today, I want to see this method. I want a picture uploaded on your assignment of your working out. And if the entire thing takes 1 page, like mine has here, then I'm more than happy for the entire thing to take 1 page. Okay? Good luck.